Hi viewers, today we will discuss how to set up an effective Facebook ad campaign. Are you considering Facebook ads? Wondering how to set up a successful Facebook ad campaign? Understanding the fundamentals of Facebook advertising can help you avoid common mistakes that cost time and money. In this video, you will discover how to create an effective Facebook advertising campaign. Decide where Facebook ads fit into your marketing. Before you spend another penny on Facebook advertising, you need to have a firm plan of action. Otherwise, you will be flying blind with no clear idea of where you want to go. To choose constant results, identify where in your sales funnel you can leverage Facebook ads. Answer these 4 questions to help define your strategy. What's your objective for Facebook advertising? For example, do you want to generate new leads for your business, sales for your e-commerce store, or subscriber to your blog? Do you have existing or consistent website traffic? Do you have an email list? If so, is it active and how many people are you on your list? Can you create unique content about your business industry? Let's now look at 3 Facebook advertising strategies you can use based on your answers to these questions. Provide free content to warm up your audience. Content marketing is one of the most effective ways to differentiate to differentiate your business and warm up cold audience. Provide free valuable content that entertain, educates or inspires your ideal customers. You could use videos, lead magnets, guide, checklist, coupons, etc. or blog post, for example. Provide free valuable content to your target audience. Engage people on your email list. Delivering your messages via Facebook ads and email marketing is twice as effective. Customers will see your message in their inbox and when they browse Facebook. Retarget website visitors. If you install the Facebook pixel on your website, you can target people who have recently visited your site. A retargeting strategy can also be the second phase of content first strategy. Build a custom audience, people who have engaged with your video content or Facebook page, and then run direct response campaigns to them, promoting your products or services. Number 1. Choose a campaign objective based on your goal. The structure of Facebook advertising campaign consists of 3 levels: a campaign, an ad set, and an ad. The first level, the campaign, is the basis of your ad. At the campaign level, you choose your objective, which is the action you want people to take when they see your ads. Facebook has 3 objective categories: awareness, concentration, and conversion. The objective you select depends on your strategy. For example, suppose you have a content first strategy because video is currently the most effective type of Facebook content. You could run specific campaigns with the video views objective. If you want to run retargeting campaign to send people from Facebook to your website. Choose either the traffic or conversions object depending on what specific action you want people to take. The best way to determine your campaign objective is to work backward from your goal. If your goal is to generate sales for your e-commerce business, for example, you could offer people 10% off of their first order to entice them to make a purchase. Number 2, build your ideal custom Number 2, build your ideal custom audience. The second stage in the campaign structure is the ad set, which specifies how your ad will run. Targeting is one of the most important elements of your campaign, and it can make or break performance. Even before your campaign goes live, let's look at 3 ways to define your audience. Target demographics and interests. The easiest way to target your audience is to use the demographic and interest options. This approach is generally used to target new people who have not previously interacted with your business. Here you will choose demographic constraints such as location, age, gender, and language. In the detailed targeting section, you can narrow your audience by choosing from thousands of interests, behaviors, demographics, and more. There's no rule for how large your target audience should be. Typically, you will get the best results with basic targeting by using a layered approach. Choose a mixture of interest and behaviors to zero in on your ideal customer. For example, suppose you are a luxury retailer in the wedding industry. Start by targeting people interested in weddings and things related to weddings. Next, you want to narrow your audience using the and condition. Click narrow audience and select the live event of people who are recently engaged. Number 3, build and test your ad creative. The last stage of the campaign structure is the ad level, otherwise known as your creative. Your ad is what your customers or audience will see. This is where you choose your ad format and creative, including image, videos, newsfeed text, URLs, display, link text, and a call to action button. Introduce new ads when the relevance score of your current ads decrease, often due to high ad frequency where people keep seeing the same ad again and again as the best way to continue to generate results from your campaign. For example, you might start a retargeting campaign aimed at increasing sales with a basic single image ad, the most common ad format. When the relevance score starts to decrease, which it eventually will, as ad frequency increases, you have several options. Split test the image, create another single image ad with a different image, split test the copy, duplicate the ad but change the copy. Split test the ad format, introduce a new ad with a different format such as corporeal ad or maybe a video ad. A common mistake people make is the kill the campaign and start a new one. If your first ad was delivering results, don't stop it. Introduce new ads instead. Thank you for watching the video.